Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will walk you through how to create and set up your very own Wise account step by step. Whether you are a freelancer, traveler, or just looking for low-cost international transfer, Wise is one of the best options out there. Let's get started. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is an international money transfer service that also gives you access to a multi-currency account. That means you can hold, send, and receive money in different currencies with super low fees and real exchange rates. Alright, to get started, head over to wise.com from your browser or download the Wise app on your phone. Then follow these steps. Step 1. Click on register and enter your email or sign up with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. If you have already an account, enter your email and password and log into your Wise account. By clicking on login section, then enter email and password. Or if you have if your password is wrong, reset this password, click reset, then enter your email and go to your Gmail account, then get the password. If this is not working, go to other site and again search wise.com. Click on register button, then enter your email or choose Google account. Choose whether you want a personal or business account. Personal. Enter your country from here and continue. Then click continue. Agree and continue. Then enter your phone number. Once logged in, you will need to verify your identity. They usually ask for a government issued ID like a passport or driver's license, and sometimes a selfie or a short video for extra security. As you can see here, and message, we can't complete your registration on our website. To continue, download our app on your phone. So download Wise app and finish the process. Now that your account is verified, let's set it up properly. Go to balances, Open a balance, then choose a currency like USDT, USD, Euro, whatever you need. Wise will generate bank account details. For that currency, you can now receive payments as if you had a local account in that country. What to add? Want to add money? Just click add. Uh, just click add. Choose how much and from where, debit card, bank transfer, or other methods. One cool thing Wise shows you the exchange rate upfront and exactly how much you received will get. No hidden fees. Need to send money? Go to Send tab, choose the currency and account, enter the recipient's bank details or email, select your payment method and hit send. Transfers are fast, sometimes instant, often within hours. You can also receive payments via your Wise account like a local, especially useful for freelancers or remote workers. If you if you are in a eligible country, you can also order a Wise debit card. It lets you spend in different currencies with no conversions free fees. Great for travel, online shopping, or even budgeting. And that's it. You have got a fully working Wise account ready to send, receive, and manage money internationally. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and hit subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I will reply to all of them. And thanks for watching.